so much talent in one frame, क्या किया जाए?
बात किया जाए.
बस बंद करके सो जाते.
Bye.
Bye.
Awesome. I mean, three talented.
We'll go sleep.
But honestly, three talented people together. What was it like?
Three talented people together who love food. Yeah, it was. There were some great lunches. I have to tell you. Deviating from the show a bit. पूजा हमने ना मतलब show तो I think by the way बना दिया. नहीं actually Audible के bosses यहाँ पे हैं. मैं show के बारे में भी बात करूँगा. But we had some amazing lunches while making it, I think, and though Shayo was on a little bit of a diet, तो वो बेचारी सब देखा करती थी. But I think the food kind of laid the foundation. I'm going to repeat this foundation, which someone here is connected with, to some really good work. And I think we made a sensitive show. We made a lovely show. खुद ही बोल रहा हूँ, but I don't think audio में there is a relationship drama. It's a light-hearted, simple show, but also very sensitive. Talks about some very sensitive issues and talks about them in a very non-preachy way. मतलब I think इतने interestingly हम तीनों के किरदार है, जहाँ मैं जय, Shani Singh, Priya, and Kubra Singh, Rashi. How these three people, you know, their interpersonal relationships and how they meet, you know, conflicts which happen and how resolution happens. I think it's a very beautiful slice of life kind of show. जो मैंने ऑडियो पे कभी नहीं सुना है, तो I had a great time making it with these two lovely ladies, and I think the audiences will really, really enjoy listening to it. I genuinely feel that.
I'm sure. And Shani, जैसे इन्होंने कहा, कुबरा और शाइनी दोनों को कि food was the foundation. आजकल तो मैं सिर्फ शाइनी के देखती हूँ, workout videos देखती हूँ मैं सबसे ज़्यादा. She's
डांस वीडियोस भी, ब्यूटी रूटीन भी. आजकल फ्लावर्स दिख रहे हैं उसके टाइमलाइन पे.
नहीं
चारों ओर फ्लावर्स यार,
फ्लावर्स कुछ भी कर लेंगे, कंटेंट बनाएंगे जरूर.
नहीं, कंटेंट के लिए नहीं. You know, I mean honestly, flowers are basically I was drowning in flowers and cakes, and it's so just really grateful, man. It's just like, you know, people are too sweet, I realize. But
Happy birthday, Shayo!
Happy birthday, Shayo!
Okay, oh my God, why did I bring it up? Thank you. No, but you know, honestly, I could not eat the yummy food that these guys were gorging on. And हमारा स्टूडियो जो जहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड करते थे, और हम एक साल एक्चुअली मंत्रा, you know, you said three talented people, actually four very talented people, because Mantra, who's our director and a fantastic actor himself, हम चारों एक रूम में, छोटे से रूम में रिकॉर्ड करते थे, और बहुत वो भी एक बहुत ही मतलब एंटरटेनिंग एक्सपीरियंस इन इटसेल्फ होता था. एंड बहुत मजा आया वो करते हुए. पर उसके बाहर एक जो मेन रूम है, घुसते ही उस स्टूडियो में, मंत्रा के स्टूडियो में, M&M टॉकीज, उसमें एक बहुत लंबा टेबल है, और उस बहुत लंबे टेबल में बहुत सारा खाना होता था. और मतलब ये नकुल का ये जो विजुअल है खाते हुए, तो मैंने ये विजुअल देखा है, और मैं ना पपीता खा रही होती थी, और पपीता और बेरीज, और ये लोग थोड़ा सा खा ले, अच्छा ये चीप चाइनीज दबा रहे, और आज थाई करी दबा रहे, और आज बिरयानी खा रहे. मतलब इतना सताया इन लोगों ने मुझे. तो हाँ, बहुत मजा आया ऑनेस्टली. ये एक्सपीरियंस जो था कुछ दिनों का रिकॉर्ड करके, बहुत मजा आया. और हम चारों एक्चुअली एक दूसरे को पहले से जानते हैं. नफता मैंने काम किया है, थिएटर किया है, कुबरा मैंने मामी का एक क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी होस्ट किया था, मंत्रा और मैं एक थिएटर कंपनी से है. तो अलग अलग जगह पे मिले थे, अलग अलग यू नो एक रिलेशनशिप से, और एक साथ मिलके बहुत, और जेन्युइनली बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं, यू नो. एंड सो व्हेन यू कैन जैम विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड मेक समथिंग एंड हैव फन and eat great food or stare at great food being eaten, it's been a great experience.
And I'm looking forward to listening to this. And as Nakul also said, this is not something, a narrative that we've seen on screen. And to, you know, Shani and Kubra both, I know when in Margarita with a Straw, when you played Khanu, a lot of people told you, ye mat karo, tum label ho jaogi. Then Kubra had the same problem with Sacred Games, and poor thing for 2 years could not stop answering the questions that she used to be bombarded with. But the three of you have also been very vocal in, you know, your beliefs and your ideologies and supporting the LGBTQ community. So when, you know, this narrative came to you, what was the initially when you read it, how did you interpret your characters?
Before that, I would just like to add that Nakul also, the play Nakul
Yes,
and
I
Nakul
know.
was
It's
called
called
Cock.
Cock.
And Nakul plays a gay man.
And
And
yes, I
we
know.
both, that was also a love triangle, and we are
2013 or 8 की बात है.
2013.
Wow, that's a memory, yeah.
Yeah, and Nakul played M. His character was called M for man, and I was called W for woman, and John was a boy we were both in love with. And so actually the three of us have played,
Yes.
members of the LGBTQI community, which is, great. And yeah, please now you can continue.
No, this is what I meant, because Nakul said this is not something I've seen. So I asked you ladies, I would have gone to him.
Yeah.
Please tell me, when this came to you, how did you read your characters? And it is not something that we are going to see on screen for a while, just हमारे cancel culture चलता रहता है हमारे साथ.
No, I think when we read, like at least for me, speaking for myself, when I read this character, I was just so happy to see how free-spirited Rashi was. She's unapologetic about how she feels. In fact, while her endeavor must be to split Priya and Jay, she's still, putting people together, whether it's Nakul's best friend or whether it's bridging a gap between Nakul's parents and Jay and Nakul's parents, or whether it is her bridging her relationship back with Rashi by rekindling memories of the past that they've shared. There is more than a sexual connotation to the show. There is a human connection in the show. And everybody is connected with everybody. And you can see that in the lines. And as Shayoni was speaking earlier, if your intent is right, then the content sorts itself out. When people want to go out there and sensationalize a story, irrespective if it's from the so-called whatever the hell normal is, or they want to focus on a community, so to speak, if your intent is good, then the content builds itself. And then we are just actors, a very small modicum in the bigger scope of things. Because while we were reading our lines, we honestly didn't have the experience of listening to being in New York. We weren't wearing those, warm clothes or jackets. We weren't, seeing those shoes or stilettos. We weren't drinking those, bottles of wine or, whatever at the neighborhood bar. But we were experiencing every single emotion of it. And we were bonding together as if we were really best friends in that situation. And we just kind of, took all the resources that we had as human beings with our collective experiences and just built on that. So there was no real thought of, wow, I'm going to do this to make a statement. Oh, wow, I'm going to do this again to, push the envelope. There is nothing to push. There is no envelope.
Absolutely.
This is human beings and this is human psychology. This is relationships. And if we don't tell these stories, or at least have the courage to tell these stories, then what is the point?
I totally get that. And the three of you do stand for that, because I do see what you write, what you say, you do stand. But tell me, as three actors, you've done audio, you've done stage, you have done film, you have done series. But कुछ ऐसा liberating लगता है कि, is it more liberating when you're doing this? And more free?
In a bit, I mean, there's no hair makeup, which is, oh my God.
Oh, so fun.
Yeah. So I own a lot of makeup, but it's not something I enjoy putting every day. And it's a, relaxation is the key to acting. Okay. And it's actually sounds very simple, but it's the most difficult thing to do, to be relaxed when the camera is on.
Yeah.
The more relaxed you are, the better your performance is. Okay, and it's not rocket science. But जब कैमरा साथ में सामने लगता है, and अभी तो जोक बन गया है, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ, कैमरा जब पीछे जाता है ना, को-एक्टर के शॉट के लिए, एक्सेस के लिए, वो बेस्ट टेक होगा आपका. एटलीस्ट मेरा होता है बेस्ट टेक. ये कैमरा पीछे जाती है, क्या एक्टिंग निकलती है, सामने आते ही सब गोबर. So now in the audio zone, there is no camera. So of course, with experience you get okay with the camera, but here you're in a studio, you're imagining it, and there is no pressure really. Okay, so I feel it's a little, because you asked the liberating question, I feel it is slightly more liberating from the sense that there is no pressure. you can just flow and have fun and, emote and improvise and, like play with it. And the scope is perhaps a little more, Also, it's more intimate, the experience of recording. Mostly it's solitary because, when you're recording, it's either you. I mean, it's just you with a microphone, which is your best friend at the time, and your headphones and your director and sound recordist in your ears. But I think Mantra made a beautiful thing of putting all three of us together in the same room. So it was Mantra recording in the same room with his computer. And Nakul ka ek corner hota tha. Nakul actually bola bhi, mera ek corner hota tha, Kubra ka corner hota tha. And it was, it's a small studio, but there was so much energy inside that studio. It was pouring. And to just jam with your co-actors like that. So it was almost like we're doing the scene together. We are actually imagining grappling and rock climbing and, swimming in the lake and fighting and walking the streets of New York. And all three of us are imagining it differently. Of course we are, because you're not seeing it in real life. But the experience of doing it together was quite something. It was not something that I'll forget in a long time. And I remember doing this scene with Nakul. The first scene we did, no rehearsal, nothing. We just went in and just started recording. And by the end of it, Nakul, me and Mantra, the three people in the room, were laughing. It was so good. It was so organic. It was truly give and take, when you jam with the actors and you play off each other. And, it's the favorite thing as actors, to really play with co-actors. So that happened. And when Kubra came in, our energies are so different. And to play it off each other was quite an experience. And I think it was extremely liberating and fun. Just so much joy in doing it, really.
नकुल, आप बताओ, बड़े अच्छे लगते हो आप सबको, I know, and एक इनका टीवी पे एक छवि बनी हुई है, but I know when he does other things, he has broken the formulae or the stereo, जैसे भी आप कहो. आप बताओ, ये पढ़कर आपको लगता है हम ऐसे इस पर एक स्टोरी बना सकते हैं with characters, or will it take time?
Say that again. Sorry. What was the last part?
ऐसे एक सब्जेक्ट को लेके, will we see it in mainstream? Will we see it? We do see, but वो हमेशा at the other हो जाता है. Will we see it? Are we now open to it? Though this is audio.
I hope so. Honestly, when I read the script, I actually didn't see it from the lens which we're talking about. I just saw it as a relationship story. In fact, now that we're talking about it, तो मुझे suddenly लगने लगा, अच्छा हमने कुछ ऐसा अलग किया है. मेरे मैं लोगों को compartmentalize नहीं करता. ये अमीर है, ये गरीब है, ये अच्छा, ये खराब है, इसकी sexual orientation क्या है, लोग होते हैं, है ना? And I've always maintained that. However, I think it's important to realize in a country like ours, which is so diverse, so many different sects, religions, and we literally can clash over everything. Popular mainstream sort of media of films or television will still sort of pander to the mass, right? And it's important to understand that while all of us in the room, we are not masses, है ना? हम थोड़ी ज़्यादा एक exposure हो गया, थोड़ा education हो गया, थोड़ी और दुनिया देखी है, and we are maybe more accepting. तो जो television या popular फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं, I think it is meant for the larger audience. But I think when we start, I think ये जो Audible की पहल है, and the beauty about this show, I can say, is we're not trying to be preachy. We're not trying to hold a high moral ground. We're bringing a story which has, elements of LGBTQIA, etc. We're telling a human story. I think jab platforms like Audible will put this out with popular pieces and people hear this, like in their subconscious, things will start switching. Like Jay and Priya are a regular couple, but Priya also has different choices. How does Jay play that off? I think in a lot of ways, when I played it and when I took it back home, I learned that I thought I was accepting, but when I saw Jay, I thought, hey man, that is even more non-judgmental. Can I be that, right? And I feel as an audience, when I hear it and I see, hey, that Shiny as a character is so uninhibited, or Rashi, which is Kubra, is so uninhibited and so accepting of her ex-lover, now maybe in love with someone else, and Jay is so accepting. Maybe it's okay. I think तो ये बदलाव ना immediately नहीं आएगा. पर ये धीरे धीरे आएगा. And I'm very proud to be sort of be able to be part of this vision with these two wonderful ladies, where the idea is not to sell that we are saying something different. Idea is to tell a story, and through that slowly like seep in and say it's a human story, you know. तो ये बदलाव आएगा, पर धीरे धीरे आएगा मेरे हिसाब से.
और जाते जाते एक आखिरी सवाल आप तीनों से मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, आजकल जैसे कैंसल कल्चर, जिसका अगर मुझे ये नहीं पसंद आप क्या कर रहे हो, कैंसल नो, आजकल ऐसा हो गया, मेरे को नहीं देखना तो मैं कैंसल कर. आपको लगता है कहीं एज क्रिएटिव पीपल इट्स गोइंग टू इम्पैक्ट योर चॉइस ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स और प्लेज? I mean, it would make an impact because in the situation that you are, because मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा आप आज कैसे लग रहे हैं तो ये लोग कैंसल, you know, it's literally come to that.
यार हमारा पॉपुलेशन इतना है, इट्स मोर देन, आई मीन कम ऑन यार, वी 1.3 बिलियन पीपल. कोई कैंसिल करेगा तो कोई देखेगा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार, सब अपना अपना है. देयर इज इनफ एंड मोर पीपल. ये सब बेतु की बातें लगती है मुझे सच में. यू नो, ये ना मतलब हर 15 दिन एक नया फैड आता है, एक नया शब्द आता है, एक नया, सब उसी वही शब्द को इस्तेमाल कर रहे होते हैं. एंड मुझे नहीं, you know, we are constantly, there is so much bombardment of information today, thanks to our phones. You know, like you were saying, Pooja, yeah, that, you know, I'm avoiding Twitter, and you know, I think if we just took off, and I have done this, took off like one day away from social media, we would be much calmer, centered people in life, you know, in general. So I think it's okay. There will be entertainment. There will be a need for entertainment. I think, you know, pandemic, so much has happened and people have gone through such horrible times. We've gone through such a horribly, you know, terrifying time collectively. But the only thing that kept us sane, perhaps, is hope and entertainment. You know, and
Nobel Prize for actors, as I say.
Yeah, and exactly, and I think, you know, they say, oh, you're actors, or, you know, you're people who make films or shows or whatever, and you're not changing lives, but we are. And I think, you know, you somewhere do, and that's why also representation is very important, you know, and that's why this show is very important, you know. So it's like Ubra said, the intent with which you make something should be right, and I believe in intent. That's how I lead my life. And आपकी सोच सही होनी चाहिए. लोग देखे ना देखे, आगे बढ़े, बहुत लोग हैं. आपको नहीं पसंद है, आप आगे बढ़ो, कोई और आ जाएगा. जिसको कोई मतलब, there's no judgment. Not everybody has to like everything or love everything, you know. Between the four of us, we would have loved some shows, loved some films, and not like the you know, shows or films. So that's fine. That I think there is enough and more work for everyone now, and no matter how much content keeps coming, everyone's सब hit है आज के दिन में, सब पूरे टाइम shows देख रहे हैं. और
हमारे साथ the foundation is Queen होता है. आप बताओ.
Exactly. तो
yes. Are you talking to me?
ये हमारे लिए झंडा गाड़ के आई है ना एकदम.
सही में. हाँ जी, कुब्रा, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
No, I totally agree with everybody, but then I think there's a very famous line from the OTT shows that we watched recently. Risk hai to isk hai. It's very simple, yeah. Let's just take the risks that we believe in and tell our stories honestly and truthfully. And जिसको नहीं देखना है वो नहीं देखेंगे, जिनको देखना है वो देखेंगे, जिनको कहानियां समझ में आएंगी उन्हीं के लिए अच्छा है. अगर उनको कहानियां नहीं समझ में आएंगी तो एटलीस्ट हमने मौका दिया समझने का.
नकुल, आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं before I say bye?
Yeah, I think I'm so actually glad to be part of this room, Jahan. I think not just actors or artists, where I can probably say that three of us in some way are also actor-wists, right? It's a word I read in George Clooney's biography, because I know how passionate Shayo is, and you know, during the CA protest, she was, you know, out there. I do poetry about the lack of democracy or too much democracy all the time. You know, I know Kubra has a very strong voice and doesn't shy away, has conversations around all kinds of things, right? And I think अगर हमें इस बात का डर लगता कि आगे काम मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, तो शायद हम तीनों नहीं करते, because maybe that's the popular thing to do, right? But in a lot of ways, I think three of us are free-spirited in that way, or wild or courageous enough that I at least can talk for myself that I don't look at my life as कि मैं actor हूँ और I have to do, like, for me self-preservation is important. I think it's important for me to sort of, I think I look at my life as, am I being a good citizen of this country? Am I really sort of, I think like Shayo had mentioned, so the intent is right. So nowadays it's more about social media page. Let's sound woke, let's stand up for, things which are trending. But I think if your intent is right and if you live your life like that, right? So feminism is not just a label. It's the way you live your life. It's the way you think. It's in your conduct. It's in your interaction. It's in the characters you pick up. Right? If you do that, then cancel culture, ये तो again bad है.
उसको
फिर
ही
डरने की
cancel
जरूरत
कर,
नहीं है.
उसी को cancel कर
So
दो.
I think it's more, yeah, a way of life you choose, and
Yeah.
like I think it's wonderful that all of us, in fact you as well, Pooja, we've been interacting a fair bit last couple of years on social media, and I see that all of us kind of stand for similar things in our own way.
Yeah.
So cancel culture is very 2020 now.
Totally.
Yeah.
Cancel culture very 2020.
I'm still
Yeah,
trying
what
to
a
process
great-
2020, 2022 आ गया. But thank you so much, more power to you. And let me tell both of you, Kubra का वैसे जरूर कभी time मिले एक podcast सुनना where she's talking about visualization and gratitude.
Oh,
Excellent.
wow.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yes. जरूर सुनना. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you so much, Pooja. So nice.
Bye.
seeing you.
All the very best.
Much
Take
love.
care.